Right, so I've had a problem with drill bits for ages, years, and the problem is they never stay in one place. They always end up all over the place. It's never easy to put them away. They're always in like clipped boxes in drawers, or I've made various attempts over the years to make them tidier, and so this is another one. So I'll show you the extent of the problem, and we have drill bits here, 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 up here, some in here, and some in here. And so I drew this lovely box thing. This is for all the metal drill bits, all the way from 1.5 mils all the way up to 10 mil. And each one's got a little pocket for a magnet, which was procured from Amazon, because magnets come from Amazon these days. And it's got a little finger well, so that you can get your fingers in it. Anyway, let's get to the CNC and cut it out. So we're going to use this bit of beech worktop, left over from an IKEA worktop, I believe. It's been in the garage for many years, but it's nice and solid and should carve really nicely. And so now we're just going to go to a time lapse and watch the whole thing. It took 9 hours because I got the settings on fairly conservatively, but we get to a problem later where we realise what happens when I turn the settings up a bit to go a bit quicker, and you'll see that momentarily. Okay, so I cut all the boxes out pretty well. There's a few little tufty bits to come off, but they're barely attached. And it did this line okay. On the first pass it chattered a bit here, which we got past. And then the last pass, before I had to stop it, on this back edge, just started to chatter really badly, and the whole thing was just going for it. If you look at this, something definitely came loose, because that used to be tight. Anyway, to fix this, we're going to have to take it out, and then we're going to have to go and put it in the bandsaw and just whiz around it with the bandsaw, and then sand this top edge so it's flat, and we'll probably do something with this little bit here as well. But other than that, the CNC was going really, really well. Okay, we've got these little bar magnets to go in the slots, and we're just going to stick them in with some hot glue, and hopefully they don't fall out whenever we're trying to pull drill bits out. But it shouldn't do, there's a good bonding surface. Okay, let us begin. Start the final filing. No. 4. Hold on. I need to work out which ones are which. 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. Okay, so because I'm mounting it on the wall, I'm just going to drill 2 holes. One's going to go in this slot and one's going to go at the top of this slot, and that way they should be out of the way but sufficient to hold the board down. One. So unfortunately every wall is near a window in this workshop, and so I can't do anything about the brightness, I'm afraid. I've got all the lights on to try and make it so you can see. I can get to this quite easily. I can reach everything from here all the way around. 10mm bits. I'm missing 10mm bit. 10mm bit. So clearly I'm missing a couple. I mean, if you like a sort of random thing, and me trying to make my workshop a little bit more friendly for me finding and putting away things, and all the other random things that I'm making at the minute, do the subscribing thing, and then I'll see you next week, because I do a video every week. Bye!